Hello, welcome back to Grade School Maths, where we make maths easy to learn. In this set of videos, we look at angles and how we measure angles, what are angles, and in what units of measurement do we measure angles. You'll see live on your screen dynamic ways of measuring angles, and you learned what is an angle and much more. So on your screen you see a ray pointing to the left and another ray there, and the amount of separation between the rays, there is the angle. So how do we measure angles? How do we measure this angle? How does this angle compare to this angle? How is angle A compared to angle B? What's the size? Well, we can use a protractor. Let me expand it so you can see your screen. Now, angles are measured by moving the arm counterclockwise. For example, we first set the protractor so that the vertical line, the 90-degree line there, and this horizontal line are in alignment there, as you can see. Okay, you can see that there, right? So let's move this angle out of let's do one at a time. Oh no, they lock together. So okay, let me just so we measure this angle here first. So we move this indicator arm there, moving it anti-clockwise. And the clock was this direction, anti-clockwise. So we can read off, it says 70 degrees. So that angle here is 70 degrees. Now, how do you know if this angle is bigger than this angle? We can see it's bigger, but we need to measure it. So we put the protractor there. See that reforming. See there. You gotta make sure that it's aligned there correctly. And then we move the arm. And we see it's in line with there. So with this arm and this arm here, it forms, we read off from 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 degrees. So this angle is 45 degrees. So this angle is smaller than this angle here. Let's look at other examples. Now, how do we measure this angle? Let's measure this angle here first. Here again we use our protractor. Let me set that back into original position. We want to measure the size of this angle here. We want to measure that, so we set our protractor there. we move our indicator in line with that, and we read off the degrees from this side: 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. So it says 150 degrees. So that angle is 150 degrees. So this is an obtuse angle. It's more than 90 degrees, so that's an obtuse angle. So let's measure this angle here now. How do we measure that? Well, we can set the angle this way. Remember, it's the degree of separation we're looking for. So we can move the compass there, protractor rather, and put it in line with that line there. And then we read off from 0 to 10, 30, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75 degrees. So that angle is 75 degrees. So that's how we use a protractor to measure angles.